It's okay. We'll be back soon. He's always so sad when we leave. It'll be okay.
Carthage! Woo! We're going to the ruins.
Good morning. We are headed to the Carthage ruins today, which will be pretty cool. Don't know what to expect on quality of, the site, but Sam says it's definitely worth seeing, and regardless, the history there is pretty remarkable. So we are standing literally in the middle of some great history. And then after that, we are headed to the beach. So super exciting. We'll see you soon. Au revoir. Early 200 AD tomb, Punic necropolis from the Punic Wars. The first and the third. There's like no security, no glass, no ropes, nothing. You just 1,000 to 2,000-year-old pillars and rocks just hanging around.
This is where the base here, the entry.
Down like here.
Yeah, dome on this side,
Yeah.
and then this is where you like the physical
The
back.
pillars, yeah.
And then here's like
Wow.
a good view as well of like the Then after the Romans lived here, the Germanic tribes came and took over as well. So, but they didn't really like bathing, so they didn't really keep it.
No wonder they
The white people didn't like bathing. Weird.
Last Vandal king destroyed the Carthage aqueduct.
It's so crazy. We're like some of the only people here. These are old, crazy old Roman ruins, and have it all to ourselves. Wild.
Look up. You wanna come back?
Got a photo shoot going on. Ah, so good.
So there's like probably like 20-ish, but officially like 10.
It's crazy. The Romans like perfected the art. Coming from an amateur stonemason, these arches are insane. I'll never want to delete any and I'll run out of space.
Fallen pillars. Out of all these rocks.
So cheesy.
Take a snap.
They took it for granted.
Sounds like a bee joke. Good?
Yeah. Not a good climbing bag today, huh?
I only have one. I only have one bag.
Hold on, let me get it.
Nice soft pillow. Your head on it now. My friend.
What do you think of the ruins, babe?
Incredible.
Yeah.
Saying that we can't build houses that last 100 years and this thing's been here for 2,000.
See? Fish bread's there. It's made for you.
Alright,
It looks like you're stuck
Great.
in the butthole.
Alright.
I think that's probably a water basin, not a toilet.
Yeah, probably.
Grace just sat in the butthole.
The butthole of the ruins. That's the anus.
Mom, don't forget my nuts.
My nuts! Don't forget my nuts!
All we do is quote memes and vines.
Look at all the writing on it, babe.
I know.
Amazing. Amazing.
So violent.
We're just going back to our adolescence.
And
I used to beat him up.
Empire. She used to kick me a lot.
I did not!
Did you hear Sam? She used to kick me a lot.
I did not used to kick you.
You did kick me. There's a cool plaque over there.
Yeah.
Look, it was like some sort of like hail to Caesar, like we built this bathhouse for the emperor type thing. So if we were in Italy or France, like all of these things would be like somehow like guarded, and like you would have to have like a tour guide to even like explain like where they came from. But here, if you're in the Arab world, you can just kind of climb all over them and just like enjoy touching them. And we've just like literally climbed over like one of these Roman pillars, and like normally you wouldn't be able to do that. But here it's just like they are very relaxed about their monuments.
Yeah.
So
I mean, just these like crazy 15, 1800, 2000 year old, whatever, however old pillars just crumbled, hanging out on the ground, like you said. Anywhere else in the world, especially Europe, I mean, not anywhere else in the world, anywhere in Europe, this would be roped off. Like,
yeah. But here they're like very like encouraged of like touching and like climbing and enjoying the monument. It's like
Because it's been here that long, it's not going to go anywhere.
yeah,
history, yeah.
they're very encouraging of just experiencing history.
When I left it, I don't know if it's been moved since I was here last, but I moved it to the middle up top and I moved it down. Went back.
Look
No,
with your
left it.
legs, Sam.
I'm gonna put it back in the middle.
Wow, so strong.
Thank you. Your turn.
Oh, that's like nothing.
Nothing.
That's like nothing.
Easy, don't break
It's his turn.
the 2,000 year old cannonballs.
No, babe.
Yeah.
I knew I married a strong man.
Olympian right here.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, throw the ball.
Throw the ball. Shot put it, babe. Alright.
Alright. No, thank you.
Amazing. Beautiful. Incredible.
Everything for nothing.
Incredible.
Everything for nothing.
Everything for nothing.
$1 water. Coca-Cola $2.
Anything for nothing.
Welcome. How are you, friend?
Thank you, brother.
Nice tattoo. Have
Thank you,
nice
brother.
tattoo.
Thank you, thank you. Lots of tourists are arriving, and we are leaving to the next ruins.
Next stop, Roman village.
We are here.
So we're at so that's right here. We're going to the Roman village, which is, can't find
Amphitheater.
Oh, Village of Rome up here.
Where?
Villa's Rome
Oh yeah.
remains, and then
Going to
we'll probably go over to the amphitheater here next. But as you can see, it takes days to get through all of this.
Yeah.
Like this is a whole like 20 different monuments. So I mean, it took me probably a full week to just get through all of this.
Yeah. So we're at a different site now. We are at the Roman villages where a lot of the Romans worked, Sam was saying, and lived, and tons of stone masonry and mosaics kind of all around, and we can just walk right through them. Just stacks and stacks and stacks of mosaics. Wow.
So if you notice these like little sundials, these are what Christians would carve onto the ground to make sure that they like knew that like there are other believers in the area.
Wow.
So that was like their way of like, oh, let's meet.
So far the only barricade we've seen is right here. Ooh.
Still in use today. As you can tell, there's like all these artists are coming here. So they use it like a riverbend type deal. So it's basically where all the pop artists and like the festivals are for music and art and things like that.
Very cool.
Sam says he's never seen it like this before. We were coming here to obviously see the Roman theater, and all of this stage and sound equipment is set up because it is the International Festival of Carthage for like the next 3 weeks. So just looked it up online, and there's a concert going on tonight, tomorrow night, the next night for like 3 weeks. So we might hit up a concert.
Cheap seats as well.
So pretty. Mediterranean.
There's another site where you can see across the street.
Oh yeah.
So it's like an official site.
Yeah, so Sam was saying that like that map we showed you guys earlier, that's like all the official sites, but there's so many other sites that aren't even on the map that you just walk around and find old Roman ruins. And then right over there on the other side of the mosque is where we played Ultimate Frisbee 2 days ago. So super cool. Right now we're heading to a seafood restaurant and should be right on the beach, trying to figure out how to get there and loving this view. We made it. Look at that view. Barbecue?
Very excited. I love barbecue. I love barbecue.
Is it really?
You do, yeah.
Can you make art? After a day full of running around Roman ruins, we are now arriving to the beach. We're just talking about how much we love the houses here on the side of the beach. Just absolutely beautiful.
Patches of bark out there.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
We are so ready.
Jellyfish.
Just went for a run on the beach. I have no idea how far I went. Immediately jumped in. The water's perfect. Grace is out there already enjoying the water. Beautiful wife. Look at this woman. Careful.
Careful, always look at that.
Alright, I'm gonna take the GoPro back before I drop it or it gets destroyed. Everyone back home that gave us amazing gifts for our wedding.
We are honeymooning.
We are honeymooning. We are so thankful for you. We are loving life. After this, I think we're gonna go get ice cream. We might go to a concert tonight. We don't know.
I get pizza and stay in.
We might just get pizza and drink some wine and stay in. Who knows?
Cold
Ooh,
as our oyster.
we got spike ball. See ya.
Can I have brownie?
Want some yogurt? I need a
That's the only one.
I had so much sugar in mine.
I want to see Sam's.
Absolutely loaded.
I need sugar on.
Yeah, get your Oreo crumb.
I got my money's worth.
Right?
So this is actually speculoos, which is like it's similar to caramel.
Similar to caramel.
Yeah. And then there's the Ferrero Rocher, which is like chocolate
Okay.
sauce, and then we have Oreo, brownie, and then the natural, like
Yeah.
just
And
plain
chocolate sauce.
and chocolate sauce.
Still not your hummus from back home.
My hummus is the best. World class, actually. We'll deal with it.
We'll do. Costa.